So my daughter got a Nintendo Switch apparently, and I guess it has these little tiny controller things that are hard to play with if you have two people. So she ended up finding a item on Thingiverse and asked me to print them out. So got a practical print for you today. Well, semi-practical. I'm Ron, and this is my place. So if any of us that have daughters, you know what it's like. Once they ask for something, you got to do it. So she asked for something for her Switch, and she went on Thingiverse and sent me the link of it, and ended up coming out with this, which I guess is the little controllery thing goes into it, and it lets you hold it, so it's bigger in your hand now to let you hit all the buttons. And the two controllers are different, so there's two different items, and they printed out really, really well. I ended up printing them on the Prusa i3 Mark III, and it did fabulously. So as you can see, absolutely beautiful print. This is printed in Makergeek's Crystal Purple PLA. I sliced it with Slick 3R Prusa edition, and I mean everything on it is just beautiful. Really turned out nicely. And then the other one, which I guess is the -1, turned out equally well. So I printed these at 235, actually 240 temp. 235 is normal. Beautiful first layer. Look at that, just gorgeous. There's one little something or other right there at the very beginning, but yeah, absolutely gorgeous. So again, 240 on the nozzle, 60 on the bed. Standard PLA, printed wonderfully, had no issues whatsoever. Absolutely beautiful lines. I mean, I think I printed it at 0.15, and it just loved it. So then I tried to print it in flexible on my CR10, and I don't know what it is. It's no retraction. I slowed it all the way down to 25, and it starts printing. It laid the first layer, and then it clogs. It can't. It's like it can't keep extruding. I've been fighting that from the beginning. So I'm really thinking it's the Makergeek Flexible. That's really all I've ever tried. So I think I'm going to order a roll of some better flexibles and see if I have some decent luck with that. Because this stuff is just crap. I mean, I don't know if it's that or my printer. One of the two is having issues, and the thing prints everything else wonderfully, but I don't care how hot or how slow I print. I just cannot keep it from clogging. So I don't know what's going on with that. It didn't seem like it spit out. It didn't really bind up. It just ends up clogging up in the nozzle, and then the BondTech will end up eating through the filament. So anyways, it failed. So I'm going to try. I think I actually have some flexible up there that came in one of the maker boxes. So maybe I'll pull some of that out and see if I can get one of these to print. That could be a neat idea. So anywho, there you go. They're gorgeous. They work great. I'll leave the link in the description. They are called Joy-Con grips with centered triggers. Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controllers from Navy Blue Boss. So I'll leave a link. And yeah. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on Friday.